Thank you. I am hoping that you are going to tell me that I'm doing better than I used to be.
No question about that.
Excellent. Excellent.
And you're going to do better than you're doing now. We would say that to you forever and ever and ever and ever and ever. You're just going to keep doing better and better and better and better and better. Because life's going to just keep showing you something more that you want to expand to and how to expand to it. And better is a judgment that only you can make. Better meaning you've given birth to a desire and you've caught up with it. And then given birth to a desire and caught up with it. That's what betterment is. That's what appreciation is. That's what expansion is. That's what evolution is. It's eternal. That's why you're here in this body. Being here in this body was essential to the expansion that the whole of you seeks. Feel how important it is? And therefore how much appreciation your inner being must feel for you because of what you're providing for the whole of who you are?
Well, you're speaking about the body, and one of the ways that I want to make sure that I'm doing better is by not attracting shingles at the anniversary of my daughter's death, which I've done for the last several years. And it's one of the reasons I came here, because her birthday is in about 3 days. And I don't want that anymore.
So you're already acknowledging, hear how wise she is? She knows that this is a subject that is upsetting in nature. And she knows that she hasn't moved beyond some of that. And she knows how that resistance shows itself. And she's expecting it to show it to her again.
Differently. That's what I'm hoping will happen differently.
Tell us about how you feel about your daughter's death now, not then, but now. What kind of ease are you feeling about it? What do you know now that you didn't know before? Do you know that anyone who makes their transition moves into pure positive energy? Do you know that so often when you're thinking of them, it's because they're thinking of you? Do you know that they're looking forward with you and that in this now, they're involved with you now? Do you know that? Well, then you can't possibly get shingles again.
Well, it is surprising. It is surprising.
Because you know all these things.
I do.
You now know. And so there is not a vibration within you that's resistant to a strong desire. Shingles are just really good evidence. It's sort of like burning the house down in a different way.
In a different way. Exactly.
Yeah.
Yes. Yeah. Yeah. And that's why I really was hoping you could tell me I'm doing better, because I don't want that. And I do believe she's around. She sends me signs all the time.
Well, we know that you know that. And so now let's just talk about the practicality. Can you tell when you think a thought or say words about this subject that are helpful? In other words, can you tell when you put an engine on that end of your train?
Yes.
And can you tell when you put an engine on the other end of the train? Going the opposite. And can you tell that you don't do that so much?
Yes.
You can talk yourself into that if you want to.
Oh, yeah.
You can have a little pity party and get back there, and you can go into that sort of regression state. You can go back there. But you can tell when you're doing that, you're stacking up unnecessary engines going in opposition. So you're not doing much of that anymore, are you?
Not as much.
So it's a whole different thing, isn't it? Mm-hmm. So on this subject, do you feel more in alignment or more out of alignment?
More in alignment.
Well, then you've got the answer to your own question. In other words, you can't be in alignment and show signs of being out of alignment. And you could not have found your alignment without knowing you were out of alignment either. You didn't do something wrong. The shingles weren't evidence of wrongdoing. They were simply evidence of resistance that is so much softer now that they will be non-existent. Yeah. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. You believe that, don't you? Yeah. Enough?
Yes.
Really good.